In this video, we will show you how to switch to dark mode on Canva. When you use Canva on the default, you can see Canva is using the white screen. Maybe sometimes this is not fit for you. You can change to the dark theme for comfortable for your eyes. You can close your Canva first, okay? Back to canva.com, make sure the domain is canva.com and select settings here. Okay, after you select settings, please scroll down and you can find the dark. Okay, now you have the dark theme on the Canva when you editing or creating new design. Maybe the dark theme for some people is more comfortable rather than using white theme. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to switch Canva into the dark theme. Hope this video helpful for you.